Subscribe to our channel to get the latest information from our channel.
So in this video we are gonna watch how to make a avatar. So this avatar can be used for keeping in WhatsApp DP or keeping in the Instagram profile picture and so on. So let's see how to make a avatar. So here I'll open the Google Chrome. Then here in the search box I'll write um, avachara.com. This is the first one link. This you have to click. Then you will be in the website. Then there will be two options. You have to click on avatar. Then I'll choose here men for now. Then it will be loading and coming. You have to now select which one. Where I'll select this one. Now I'll select the eyes. These are okay. And now I'll select this nose. No, this. And now the mouth. This is now the perfect face. Then I'll select eyebrows. In eyebrows, you can change the color. Brown eyebrows, black eyebrows, where I'll take black eyebrows. In hair also, you can change the color, yellow hair, brown hair. I'll take black only, normal man. Now I'll see the dress ups. Here, I'll take the top. In this, I'll select this one. Then this, I'll select the jacket. It's looking perfect. Now I'll select the pant. I'll select this pant. Then I don't need a hat and all. And now I'll directly jump onto the items. So here I'll choose the glasses. Here I like this spectacle. And then let's see what more items are there. Here not more items are there. If you want to keep this, you can keep. Or else you can delete from here. Well, I'll go up. And I'll select the wallpaper. I want this green color wallpaper. So this is now the perfect. Now I'll take the snapshot. This a picture image you can see that here you have to click. It's also written here that you can keep this profile picture in Facebook, Twitter and Google+. So there are two types of images. One is the full image and one is the half image. Half image, this much will only come, and in the full image till pant it will come. So I'll select this full image and I'll save it. So how was the video? Subscribe to our channel to get the latest information from our channel and like this video. If you like this video and want to watch many videos like this, and then like and subscribe to our channel now. So thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Hey everyone, this is Ashutosh here, and I want to tell you a gentle reminder that we have started a Discord server and we have started a Instagram. So please follow us on our Instagram account and please join our Discord server. So I'll link the Discord server and Instagram account link in the description. So please follow us. Thank you, everyone.